Hi, welcome back to Motech Performance. I'm Mike. Behind the camera up there is Jay, and behind me is a M135i that's very standard for a short amount of time. So behind me, as you can see, we have a lovely M135i X-Drive car. Now, we had a conversation with Tony when he came up a few weeks ago to collect his black M3 Touring in the satin. He loved the whole black stealthy look with the yellow DRLs. We said, find us some cars. Well, behind me is number one. Probably gonna be doing maybe 5 to 7, depending how many Tony can get his hands on, of a similar sort of thing. So the car behind me, as you can see, has a number of parts going to be fitted to it. We'll go through each individual part, but let's get some B-roll done, and then we'll have a conversation about the Motech edition cars and how to buy one of these. So as you can see behind me is a stunning black M135i finished. If you've seen the befores, they're okay out of the box, but they do need a bit of work. So all the steering grey parts are off, so the grille, the canards, mirror caps, 18-inch wheels, all taken off. So we're going to run through the modifications front to back. So on the front of the car, as you can see, M Performance grills taken out. These are a bit of a must, especially on a black car. And then the lower canards. Now, strange enough, these are actually off the 118i. So we order these parts in from BMW. It's not an M135i update part, and add those. And they work lovely with the side aero fins and, of course, the M Performance front spoiler. Now, the keen-eyed people of you have already seen this. Yellow DRLs, yes, they're available for the F40. Nice job. Unfortunately, bit of a job to do these ones. It is bumper off. So if you're interested in having it done, get it done the same time as the grille, because obviously the grille needs also the bumper to take off. And also 50th anniversary badges. Side of the car, M4 wing mirror caps, gloss black Motech V2 badges, carbon arch guards, and sitting on the 25mm Eibach spring kit. Now, of course, we do different drops, but this car having the M Performance front, it is quite low. And paired up with that is the Motech MW1 19-inch wheel, should I say, with the Michelin Pilot PS4 tyres. Perfect daily setup. Back of the car, M Performance wing, really needed this. The Maxton one on this all black car would probably look a little bit lost, but this really gives it some aggression. Down below, Remus OPF back system, gloss black tailpipes, 50th anniversary badges, and all blacked out badges as well. So X-Drive and M135i all in the gloss black to just finish it off. Now, like I've already said, these are available from Tony and Charlie. Their information is down below. Spec on the car is good, Alcantara, heated seats, and adaptive dampers. So, of course, changing the 18-inch to the 19-inch is nice and easy. Go through the iDrive system, select 19-inch, press go, simple as that. But let us know what you think of the M135i Black Edition. Like I said, there's one of 7 of these available, so let us know what you think. Thanks a lot.